Are you an English learner? Don't get left behind due to lockdown. Our students are going to share 10 useful tips which they follow to become a confident speaker. Here we go.
Practice on your own. It means talk to yourself. Whenever you are free, so just try to take a topic with you and start talking. Thank you.
If you are a beginner, this is the easiest way to take initiative with short English stories or moral stories. You can watch on YouTube. There are thousands of short kids stories where you listen and understand.
As you all know that we all have very busy schedule in whole day. But in these busy days, we need to fix a particular time for speaking practice and there need to be persistent. By this, you will look a drastic change in your speaking.
That if you have any English speaker or any English teacher, so please try to imitate them. I am surely saying it that this will give a huge impact on your English speaking. I do this and please try to do this.
Create an English environment around you. It will help you to make you speak more natural and try to talk in English with everyone, such as siblings, peers, friends, colleagues, so on.
Reading can enhance your speaking as well. We have many sources such as newspapers, magazines, comics, etc.
As you all know that daily we have many circumstances around us, so those things you can assess in English, like when you are going to shop, you can say I go to shop, or when you are eating food, you can say I eat food. So these all things you can assess in English.
Is standing in front of mirror makes you more confident. Moreover, you can create an opportunity to assess yourself so that you can have your self-assessment.
Practice English, but how can you practice? We have multiple ways to practice English in this era which can make you a independent learner too. Here it is. You can watch English movies, listen English songs, record your voice and many more. Thank you.
And finally, listen to yourself, because most of the people, they don't listen to understand, they listen to reply.